Hello everyone, I am Rishabh Chaurasia, final year civil engineering student of Galgotias University, and I am going to explain this 20 story tall building as the assignment given by Sky-Fi Lab for on ETAP software. As we can see that the building has different section for different set of storage, like storage 1 to 8 has different section. Similarly, the other storage have the other set of storage have the different section. The material which we the section provided to us for design purpose are columns of 500 into 500, 550 into 550, 600 into 600. Similarly, the beams have also three sections by which we can design the building. The material which we can use are M40 grade concrete, HYSD bars, HYSD 500 for steel bars, and mild 250 rebar as a stirrup. Slabs which we are going to use in this building are 150 thick, and the grade of the concrete will be M40. Auto rock cladding, we have to apply auto rock cladding with the cladding load of 0.2 kilonewton per meter. Wind load will be considered as per the parameters of the Bangalore. Now we will proceed by starting the new file. Opening the new file, open new model, change the initial setting as display unit metric SI, steel section database as per Indian standard. Steel design code which we will use is IS 800 2007, and similarly concrete design code would be IS 456 2000. Now number of grid line in X direction will be 4. Similarly for Y direction will be also 4. Spacing of grid in X direction is as per given standard it is 6. So we will be changing it to 6. Number of storage are 23. Typical storage height is 3, and bottom storage height is 3. As the different stories have different sections, so we have to go to the option custom story data setting, edit story data. All the one of this story is master story, as here it is given story 23 is master story, and all others are similar to story 23. We have to make the changes as per the given question. As the stories from 1 to 8 are similar, so we will be changing any one of the stories and making it to similar 8. Click here yes and make it similar to 8. Likewise, we will change the setting for other set of similar stories. From story 9 to 14, we have the similar set. Now for that we will change one of story between 9 to 10, 9 to 14. Make it as no, we have to change from here. Put yes, and now change till 14 as story 9, similar to story 9. रुको गड़बड़ स्टार्ट ही नहीं हुआ। अच्छा ठीक। Now I will be choosing story 15 as master story and changing the till story 19. Make the changes similar to story 15. Now other set of story by default we can see that are similar to story 23. From 20 to 23 are of different section and they are of similar to 23. Now we will click on OK. Click on grades only and click OK. Now in next step we have to define the materials. Go to define option, material properties, add new material. Region as India. Material type steel. Material type we will choosing as concrete, Indian. The grade which we have been provided is M40. The settings have been done and now click on OK. M40 concrete सब कुछ इसमें तो कुछ चेंज करना नहीं होता ना। हाँ नहीं होता। चलो ओके स्टार्ट। We have to not change anything here. Just material name is M40 as per given standard. Now click on OK. Our new material has been added. Add another new material as steel. No, rebar, not and Indian. Standards Indian HYSD grade 500. Again rebar of mild grade 250. Click OK. Again OK. All the three materials which we are going to use here are had been added. Now we have to add the different section. Go to define menu, section properties, frame section. Now we have to add new property. From here choose the rectangular section. As the material is concrete, we have to choose from here. First we will add column. Change the name as C500 into 500. Material we will be choosing as M40. Change the dimension as 500 depth and 500 depth. We have to modify rebar. Here we will be using HYSD 500 as longitudinal bars, and for confinement bar we will be using mild 250. All the remaining properties will be as usual. Click on OK. Similarly, I will be adding other 3 sections of column and other 3 sections of beam. Now we will go to draw option, as all the materials have been assigned and all the section has been assigned. Go to draw option. Now draw a beam column. Quick draw column option. Now we will be choosing quick draw column option. change the properties as column auto select, which we have assigned earlier. Now as we can see that column still storage 8 has been drawn. Similarly we will draw for other storage. Now we will draw the column for storage 9 to 14. Similarly we will do for the other sections. As we can see that all the drawing has been done, beams are drawn, columns are drawn, and slab has been also drawn. Now we will assign the loads. Go to assign option, go to shell load, uniform. Now assign the load 2 kN. Now select all the, now change here to all storage. Select all one by one. And apply the loads. Okay. Apply. We can see that all the loads has been applied. Now again we have to assign the load as a live load. Go to cell load, uniform load. Now we will changing the name, live load. We have all the storage have different loads, so we have to go to similar storage. Click here. Live load is of 5 kN, so we will be putting as 5 kN. Loads to other set of storage. Now in last part of the building we have to analyze the building. Run analysis. It will take some time as there are 23 storage, so it may take some time. Progress here. Now further we will start design check. We we have to design 712 members again as they have been failed. As now we can see that our all the members have been passed. Now we will check again. Go to design option, concrete frame design, verify all member passed. All concrete frame passed the design check. So our this design has been analysis has been complete, and we will move further. At last we will generate the project report from here. Project information. Reports. Project report. It will automatically generate the project report. It may take some time. At last our project report has been generated and the project has been completed. Thank you for your kindly support and guidance, Sky5 Labs. And now our project has been completed. Thank you for your support and